Hello and welcome back to Tech ID. In my today's video, I'll be showing you how you can look for secret groups on Facebook. Before proceeding with our today's video, please give a thumbs up to our video, comment and let us know your thoughts and queries about our videos, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notification whenever we upload something new. Now without further ado, let's start with our today's video. Log into your Facebook from any browser. To join a closed group, you have to be approved by an administrator or invited by a current member. Secret groups offer the same level of privacy as closed groups under a cloak of invisibility. Unfortunately, no one can search for secret groups or request to join them. The only way to get in or to know about a secret group is if you have someone in the group who has invited you to join. I hope my video was informative. Comment below and let us know your thoughts and queries on our videos. Give a thumbs up to our videos, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notification whenever we upload something new.